Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Sonauto AI to generate your own music. It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to sonauto.ai. This is an AI-powered website that lets you create music just by typing what you want. No music skills needed. Once you're on the site, you'll see a text box right here. Type in the kind of song you want. For example, a chill lo-fi beat or an energetic EDM track. So I'm gonna go with this. You can also choose the length, style, or mood if the options are available. After typing your prompt, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Sun Auto AI will start creating your song automatically. When it's done, you can preview your track, and if you like it, just download it or regenerate a new one until you're happy with the result. And that's it, you just made music using AI in under a minute. If this helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.